Okay, so this video we're going to show you guys how to import a plot style into the plot style editor so that we can actually apply a plot style to the layout. So the first thing that you want to do is you're going to download the site plan. It's under Reference Files. There's a site plan CTV file. So you're going to go into the D2L. You're going to go to Content for the course, and then you're going to go to Site Plan Reference Files. And there's the siteplan.ctv. You're going to download that. Okay, so you have to click on it. It'll take you to the next page where then you have to click download. Okay, so it's going to download a copy. Now, what you might want to do is take that siteplan.ctv file, and you might actually want to move it to your desktop or move it to a location where you're going to be able to take that with you when you leave SAIT. Because that's something that you can take with you. You may have a directory of a whole bunch of files that you're going to take with you that you're going to back up because you've got to return the computer at some point, right? You want to be able to take those files with you. So put it in one of those locations where you can take those files with you. Now AutoCAD can work with that because I'm going to show you how we make AutoCAD go to that directory and reference the files that you have in that directory. Okay, so let's just imagine that we put that in. I'm just going to put it on my desktop for now. So let me just move it to the desktop. Alright, so I've put that file on the desktop. I don't need this anymore. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go into AutoCAD, and you're going to go to your options. And you're going to go to the, where is it here? Files. You're going to go to the Files tab under Options. It's under Printer Support File Path, and then Plot Style Table Search Path. And what you're going to do is you're going to add a new location. Whatever you saved that plot style to, you're going to click on Add, and you're going to add that location. Now what you might want to do is you might want to actually have, like I've got my desktop here, you might want to actually have that location saved into your computer. So in this case, C users desktop, that's what you want to put. So when you come into this location here, you can just paste it in. So it's going to be something like C users E. Ellison desktop. Okay, that's the location where you're going to find that. And then after you finish that, you're going to click Apply. Now, like I said, if you open up your Windows Explorer and you go to a location, so say Downloads, for example, then you can actually copy and paste that location in. Okay, so wherever that location is that you have specified that you want to be able to take with you when you leave SAIT, that's what you're going to put in there. Okay, now you can do that with anything. If you have multiple locations, that's fine, that'll all work. And then you can go to your Page Setup Manager, Modify. So now that you might have to restart AutoCAD after changing the file support path, because those support paths get loaded when AutoCAD's loaded, so you may not see the changes right away unless you restart AutoCAD. And after you restart AutoCAD and come back into this particular Page Setup Manager, so you're going to right-click Page Setup Manager, click on Modify, you should see in the drop-down list here, you should see siteplan.ctv in that list now. So you're going to click on that and select that for that particular page, and that will use that particular plot style. So when you go to Plot and do a preview, you should see that there are differences in line weights. So you can see that the perimeter lines here are very thick, and you can see some of the other lines, like the dimension lines, are very thin. So you should see a difference in line weights if the site plan is loaded properly, siteplan.ctv.